Albert Enstein is telling us that the measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Why? What did he mean? I think Albert Einstein was considering adaptability. Situation change. A lot of things are changing in life day and night. Technology, discoveries are also changing. Certain knowledge are now expiring. I want to give you an example of a time when people used to shoot aerial cinematic music videos using cameras. People could carry big cameras and go on top of the helicopter to start recording the aerial view of landscapes, or even in movies. Gone are those days. Currently, people are using drones, camera drones like DJI Mavic to record their videos and also for security purposes like in UAV military drone technology. So those people who used to carry cameras and go above have lost their jobs. But those of them who learned how to fly drones perfectly are still in the game. So it's how you get adapted. It's how you change quickly to certain things. That's how you can become intelligent. This thing happens in even football. The managers like Pep Guardiola, who have failed to lift Champions League for years now, since they left Barcelona, because they cannot readjust themselves to the defensive style of football. There are matches that would require him to defend, but he continues attacking for 90 minutes. At the end of it all, you see him conceding very ugly counterattacks. So, as Albert Einstein says, your ability to change is the measure of your intelligence. Thank you.